Have you been through a breakup? Are you trying to get your ex back? Do you worry that he's grown too distant or pulled too far away? I hope you won't give up, because there's still hope. And with just a few simple phrases, you can reignite the passion he once felt for you. It stems from a powerful gap in communication and the way men confuse respect and love. Hello, my name is James Bauer, best-selling author of What Men Secretly Want and His Secret Obsession. I've prepared a free presentation for you where I explain 7 secret love signals that can transform any relationship and how they can force any man to start thinking about you again. Let me teach you how to become his secret obsession. Join me on a relationship journey. Click the link below and become his secret obsession.